Canva tips and tricks for beginners. Hey guys, welcome to another Canva tutorial in which I will be showing you different tips and tricks that you need to know if you're using canva.com. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to go to canva.com and you will land right here. Canva is an amazing platform that allows us to design logos, we can create presentations, edit videos, and we can do a lot more with Canva. So if you're already using Canva, you're using Canva for a while, and even if you are a complete beginner, there are different things that you need to know in order to get the best out of Canva and to save your time and get more productive. So let's get into some of the tips and tricks that you will need to know if you're using canva.com. So after your sign up or initial sign into your Canva, this is where you land. Now, the first thing that people do is they go for this thing, which is custom design. Let's say I want to design a logo or maybe a sticker. So what people like to do is they click on custom size. You also have done this. And then you're like, okay, let me Google the width and height that I'm looking for. I don't know the exact measurements for a sticker. I don't know the exact measurements for the thumbnail. I don't know the exact measurements for the banner. So you go to Google and you search for the measurements, and then you come back and then you're like, oh, okay, so this is the width and this is the height that I want. But here you can save a lot of time by just using this search bar. Here you can search for anything. Let's say I want to create a sticker. So you just type in the word sticker here, and you will be able to see that there are different templates available and the measurements as well. So you can see we have different types of stickers. They're going to be round stickers, square, rectangle. So they all have their measurements given here, and you can start from the scratch with a layout which has the measurements added already. So you don't need to go for the custom design. You can actually search for anything here in the search bar and get the right measurements. This works for all of the different things that we create, such as flyers, cards. Even if you want to design a t-shirt, you will be able to actually get the right measurements and you can get started with the design. Moving on, if we talk about the main dashboard again, here we have projects. Click on the projects and it will take you to Canva projects. Here we can actually create folders and we can upload designs, images, and videos directly. So if you want to actually manage your work better and if you struggle with different work and different projects, then you can create a folder very easily on Canva. Just go to projects and click on create folder, and you can give your folder a name. So let's just call it test. And now I can even share this folder with the team member. This is really good to organize your designs and brand assets. You will be able to create even brand templates to help your team get started. Import content from Google Drive, Dropbox, and more. Now let's get into our editor. So now we are inside our Canva editor. Here we know the basics that we have design, elements, a brand hub, uploads, text, draws, and more. So here we have the apps option. Click on apps and it allows you to actually add integrations into Canva. You can add Bitmoji and Google Maps, YouTube, Dropbox, Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram. You can see all of the different apps can be integrated into Canva directly. So this is actually a really good tip that you should keep in mind, that we can integrate directly our platforms such as even Shopify to our canva.com. So you can see right here, we have all of these different apps that we can add to our Canva. When it comes to the Canva editor, if you want to upload your own video and if you're creating a video like this where you want to show yourself and you want to record as well, you can simply go to the upload section here, and in upload you can find the option of record yourself. Once you select record yourself, that actually opens up the Canva recorder for you, and you can screen record your Canva like this, and that will also record you. You can record with your microphone and your camera. So this is another way to use Canva. This is really good for screen recording, and we can also upload from Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, and more. When it comes to designing, we can add pictures in the frames. That's very easy to do. Simply go to elements, then select frames. Once you select frame, you can select any frame from here. For instance, this one. Once the frame is added, you can adjust the size and place it wherever you want it to be. and then you can select your image. To add image into the frame, you just simply select it and it's added. Now we can move it towards the frame and there you go. It will be added within the frame. This way we can add framed images on Canva. When it comes to an image, we can even animate it. Click on animate at the top and now you will be able to add the basic photo animations or page animations. There is a page animation in which the whole page is animated and they're divided into different sections. You can see at the bottom here. And then we also have the photo animation. So if you want to add a photo animation, then you can simply select this option. If you want to lock a picture or the layer, just click on the lock option at the top and now it's locked. You won't be able to move it. So if there is any element that you don't want to move, simply lock it. A lot of people don't know this, that there is a lock option available on Canva as well that allows you to lock different elements and layers. When it comes to adding text and a background in text, it's actually really easy to do. What you can do is, if you want to add a background in the text, simply add your text first. Let me show you. So this is our text. And now I want to add a background. For that, we can go to the elements and select this square. And now you can adjust the size a little bit according to your text and place it here. Right click, make sure it's in the background. And now it will be added as the background of the text. We can even make it transparent. That's what I like to do. And you can see we can adjust the transparency and there you go. Now we can even change the text color. So select the text, go to colors. You can even select the colors from the photo. So they show you the photo colors. This one is really good for a brand asset and keeping the, a brand aligned, all of the colors from here. So now you can see this is our background and I want to change the text color to white or this color right here. So you can see this is how we add a background for a text. Similarly, we can add another page from here. Click on add page and it will be added. Now, keep in mind when you are editing a video or a presentation, the pages are turned into slides and you can adjust the timing from here. For instance, I want it to be for 10 seconds. It will be added here. Now we're going to go to elements here and let's say I want to add a video. Once the video is added, now you can adjust the video and make it smaller. I want it for 10 seconds. There you go. Click on done. We can even crop and flip the video that we have added and we can even edit the video. Select the playback speed. So this one is going to be normal. And here we have the volume. So if you want to decrease the volume of your video, you can do that from here. And if you want to add music to your video, then simply go to the audio option here and select the audio and it will be added to your video that you're editing. To adjust the video as a background, you can simply do that. Click on these three dots and you can see align to page and set as a background. Click on set video as a background and it will be added here. Now we can make it transparent. So you can see if I want to add a text or if I want the video to be transparent, I can do that very easily. And now we can even lock this layer. This way you'll be able to create high quality videos, edit presentations, create logos, create very creative designs with canva.com. When it comes to saving and sharing options, click on share and you'll be able to share your work in different formats. You can see when it comes to download, make sure that you check all of the different pages and we can actually download one page at a time or all pages together. Here we can again adjust the quality of our work. Click on share, click on download and your video or your work will be downloaded. If you want to directly print it, you can from this option where it says print your design. Click on more and here you will get save to folder, send to phone, embed, prototype, website, share directly to social media, messaging, design, and more options. So make sure to check all of the options right here in the share section. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.